Hey there, health warriors! Tonight, we're diving into the world of castor oil and why this humble oil could be your next nighttime ritual. Ready to uncover the magic of castor oil? Let's jump right in. 1. Beauty sleep for your hair. Ever dreamed of waking up with luscious, shiny locks? Castor oil might be your secret weapon. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it promotes blood circulation in the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and encouraging growth. Apply a few drops to your scalp before bed. Give yourself a gentle massage and let the magic happen overnight. You'll wake up feeling like you just stepped out of a hair commercial. 2. Say goodbye to dry skin. If you're tired of waking up with dry, flaky skin, castor oil is here to save the day, or night, rather. Its moisturizing properties are second to none. Apply a thin layer to your face before hitting the hay, and let it work its moisturizing magic while you sleep. You'll wake up with skin so soft and hydrated, you'll wonder why you didn't start this routine sooner. 3. A natural remedy for insomnia. Struggling to catch those Z's? Castor oil might be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. Massaging a small amount onto your eyelids before bed can help you relax and drift off into a deep, restful sleep. It's like a lullaby for your nervous system. Who knew sleep could be as simple as a little oil? 4. Boost your immune system. Yes, you read that right. Castor oil can actually help boost your immune system. Applying it to your abdomen can increase the production of lymphocytes, the body's natural disease fighters. Give your immune system a nightly boost with a gentle tummy massage using castor oil. Your body will thank you, especially during flu season. 5. Relieve joint pain and muscle soreness. After a long day, your joints and muscles might be crying out for some TLC. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can provide the relief you need. Massage it onto sore areas before bed, and let it work its magic overnight. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, free from the aches and pains of yesterday. So health warriors, there you have it. 5 incredible reasons to make castor oil a part of your nightly routine. From luxurious hair to better sleep and everything in between, castor oil is a game changer. Don't miss out on these amazing benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more health hacks and tips. Your support keeps us going and allows us to bring you the best in health and wellness. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep shining bright. Until next time, this is your friendly neighborhood health guru, signing off.